Remove the duct clamp. Place cable guide matching your cable. Insert the fiber cable into the machine. Adjust the belt drive and tighten the belt clamping lever. Adjust counting wheel. Mount the cable seal on the fiber cable, must fit tight. Mount the cable head at the end of the fiber cable. Cut the pipe using a jetting pipe cutter. Insert 2 cleaning plugs into the duct. Place the duct in the bottom duct clamp and tighten the duct holder. Mount the upper duct clamp and tighten the clamp bracket. Connect the air hose. Remember to always use dry and cool air. Start the compressor and open the compressor air valve. Open the air valve on the machine and wait until the cleaning plugs come out. Disassemble the duct clamp and loosen the duct holder. Pour in a few milliliters of jetting lubrication. Insert 2 new cleaning plugs. Reassemble the duct and duct clamp and open the air valve. Wait until the cleaning plugs come out. Connect the jet logger cable to the V3 machine. Lift the lid on the jet logger and press the battery button. Turn on the tablet and enter the project's specifications into the jet logger. Switch on the electronic counter and press the reset button before starting. Adjust the air regulator to your maximum pushing force and turn the emergency stop counterclockwise. Push the joystick forward to start cable installation. Speed and direction are now easily controlled by the joystick. Maintenance. Always keep your V3 clean. Check the oil on the machine every day. Refill only with jetting pneumatic oil 32. If the string seals in the duct compartment are worn, replace them with new ones. If the machine is not in use for a few days, the motors must always be lubricated. Refer to the instructions in the V3 manual.